Hi friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to see about plasmid copy number. Plasmid copy number is the number of copies of plasmid present per chromosome in each bacterial cell. Plasmids may be either low, medium or high copy number plasmids. Larger plasmids are low copy number plasmids, that is, exist only one or a few copies in each bacterium. Most smaller plasmids are high copy number plasmids. Most bacterium contains one or two copies of plasmids, but it may be as many as 50 or more for certain small plasmids. The number of copies influences the strength of plasmid bond characteristics. Example, antibiotic resistance. The more copies of the plasmid per cell, the higher the resulting level of antibiotic resistance.